Hey Bearcats! Get ready to take your exam with confidence using the Enlarge Font tools. We've designed a quick demo to show you how to make the font larger on a Windows device. Begin by opening Lockdown Browser and sign in if prompted. Select the Info button on the toolbar. The Info button is located at the top of the browser near the URL. Click the drop-down menu for zoom level and select the desired zoom percentage, such as 200%, and click Apply. You can also use the keyboard combination of Control and equals by holding down the Control key, then repeatedly tap the equals key until you reach your preferred text size. Navigate to Courses in the menu on the left side of the screen. Select the course for the exam. Then select the exam to begin taking it. When you complete the exam, select Save and Submit. If you have questions, Services for Students with Disabilities are here to help you at 936-294-3512 or disability@shsu.edu.